Maganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigat.
Babe, what are we going to do our first anniversary?
Anything, as long as I'm with you.
Okay, I got these days. See you on Monday.
Isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. Welcome to Atlan Hotel. I'm Sheldon. I'm assist you.
Hi, I'm Jake Gonzalez. I avail a reservation to online for private dining room. And also, I requested something. I hope it goes well prepared.
Already on that, sir, but let me check first your on. So just wait for 15 minutes or an hour. Receptionist will be happy to assist you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. This way, please.
Kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig, napapawi ang bigati.
What happened to this gift? It was all ruined.
Are you okay, babe? What is that?
This is my gift for you, babe. It was all ruined. I'm just gonna talk that man. Just wait here, babe.
Okay, babe. But please control your behavior and emotions.
Excuse me, this gift is for my girlfriend. Now it's ruined.
We understand this, sir, and we're very sorry for that. Rest assured that we'll take action on this.
It's useless. I want to talk to your manager now.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
Are you the manager?
Good afternoon, Mr. Gonzalez. Yes, I am the manager of Atelier Hotel.
Look, what happened to this gift? It was all ruined because of your workers.
I sincerely apologize, sir. Please accept our token as a compensation for your inconvenience.
Okay, I think that will be good. I hope it will make my girlfriend happy.
We will make sure that everything goes well as planned for your anniversary gift. Again, I sincerely apologize on behalf of Atelier Hotel, sir.
It's okay. I'm sorry. So, if I raise my voice, tell me.
No, sir. It is our responsibility and obligation to ensure our guests' satisfaction.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for accepting our compensation. Please expect your delivery to be delivered within 10 minutes in your private dining room. Again, sir, happy anniversary.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, babe. What happened?
It's now alright, babe.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. This is your order.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is my gift for you, babe. Happy anniversary.
So beautiful.
Kung
Thank you. Happy
bawat
anniversary.
tao ay puno ng pag-ibig, napapawi ang bigati. Masilayan lang ang iyong
I hope it makes you happy, babe.
Of course, babe.
Okay
It thinks on me.
kang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Parang isang bulaklak, isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig, isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig.